Okay, today I'm going to teach on how to remove a background from a picture, and there's a picture that I want us to use for today. I want us to use this picture. So we want to remove this background from this picture, and then we will end up getting something like this for your design and for your flyer. So starting, you open your Photoshop, or if you like, you drag the picture to Photoshop, place it anywhere that you want, and then Photoshop will bring up the picture. We are going to use only one tool, and the tool that we are going to use is the quick selection tool. That is the tool that we are going to use today for the background removing. So what I normally do is, when I am removing or working on a picture, I normally duplicate it. So you duplicate the layer, so you make it two. You can also use Control J or Command J to duplicate the layer. So after that, I'll hide this one and then work on this, so that in case if there's anything, then I can work on it. So currently we are here, and the tool that I said we are going to use is the quick selection tool here. So you select it, we have the object selection tool, and then the magic wand tool and quick selection tool. This Photoshop 2021. So quick selection tool, you select it and then you come here. These are the settings on removing or working on the selection tool. So we have the size here. You can increase the size to, let's say, 198, whatever. This is a subtraction, when you want to subtract some of the selected parts from the part that you don't want to select. And this is plus when you want to add a selecting part. And this is a new selection when you want to create a new selection besides the one that you've already created. So you want to now add selection because we have never selected anything here. So you put it here, you click, and you start to drag it gradually. So Photoshop quick will automatically select around the image. You can bring it here too. It will select, bring it here. So just like that, to get the edges of the picture. Now you can see from here that the hand has been selected, or it has been deselected. So we need the hand to be part of the selection. That is, this hand should be captured. So what we have to do is to come here and then subtract. So you click on the subtract one, and then you take it out from it. Maybe if you are selecting and then maybe the sizes are big, you can reduce the sizes to, let's say, 20 or sometimes even 10, and then you gradually, or you just move it around the image or the edges. When you zoom, you can see that there's some lightening here. This is because this part have been selected, but we don't want this part to be selected, so you just cross it over so that it will not be selected. You get it? Yeah. So these are the small parts that you want to deselect. Somebody will say that when you started it was like this and now it's like this. You can use the caps lock to help you with the indication that you are subtracting or you are adding. So this is how it goes. And there was something also here, the ear tool was not captured, so we want to deselect the ear. You can use the same size that you've chosen, or based on the image that you'll be working on, you can reduce the sizes to the ones that will be okay for you. And I think this part too, you can take it out. So at last, you've been able to get this. You can check some of the edges to see, because normally some designers will do work and then you see that the hands have been cut off. They were not able to check it well. You have to check all the necessary edges to see that indeed the selection works well. So this is it. You need to take background as soon as possible. You can use this selection tool, and after that, after it has selected the background, you go to edit and then you cut the background off. Wow, so this is it. You've been able to get what we wanted for our flyer. So another way to take it off is Control C. It will take it off. So this is it, and now we've taken it to be this. You've been able to at least get the edges for your flyer. If you want to work more on it, there are other tools, but with regards to the selection or the quick selection tool, removing the background, that's the best we can do. Thank you.